So it's Friday, and you know what that means? It's time for some fun. And today we're going to have some fun with stickers. Now, if you've been following along for a while, you know that I love stickers. They're an easy and fun way to add some flair to your laptop, your car, your water bottle, whatever. But in this video, we've take things up a notch or two and do some sticker art. Now, the idea here is simple. You take a bunch of stickers and arrange them in an interesting fashion to make some kind of design or picture. Now, you could use new stickers, but I'm going to be using some old ones that are already on my laptop. So let's get started. Okay, so for my laptop, I've got 4 different stickers here. We've got the Windows 95 logo, the Linux penguin, the Gen 2 penguin, and a little Ubuntu penguin. Now, originally I was going to remove all the stickers and start from scratch, but I found that to be kind of time-consuming. So instead, I just put a piece of paper over top of the stickers and traced around them. That's why I knew exactly where they were and how big they were. Then I peeled off the stickers and arranged them on the cardboard. Now, the great thing about this is that you can really do anything that you want. You could arrange them in a pattern. You could spell out a word, make a picture. The possibilities are endless. In fact, I did something similar a few years ago where I took all the stickers off my laptop and put them in a pattern. That turned out pretty cool. But this is a lot more relaxing and a lot less work. Okay, so I think I want to make a kind of peace sign shape using the Windows 95 logo and the Linux penguin. Now, I don't know exactly how this is going to turn out, but I think it'll be pretty cool. We'll use the Ubuntu penguin here at the top and the Gen 2 penguin at the bottom. Okay, that looks perfect. And now we just got to fill in the rest with the Windows 95 logo. Now, this is actually a lot more difficult than it looks. Getting all these shapes to fit together perfectly is not easy. And you might notice that there's no real rhyme or reason to this. It's kind of just wherever I wanted to go with it. I could probably spend hours planning this out, making sure everything is perfect. But I think the beauty of this is that it doesn't have to be perfect. It's kind of like the difference between a carefully crafted, highly edited photo and a candid shot taken by a professional photographer. Which one is going to look better? That's subjective, and it really depends on the person. But what I'm trying to say is that you don't need to overthink this. Just have fun with it. Alright, so I think I'm almost done here. We just got to put a little bit more of the Windows 95 logo down here at the bottom. Maybe we'll add another Linux penguin in there for some flair. Okay, I think this looks great. It's kind of abstract, but I like it. Now, if you want to be really fancy, you could draw something on top of the stickers, like add some highlights or shadows. Or if you really want to take things up a notch, you could paint on top of the stickers. Now, I'm not suggesting that you actually paint on your laptop. But maybe you could print out a picture, paint that, and then stick it to the wall. I mean, really, the sky's the limit. And once you're done, you can post a picture online and see if anyone can guess what you were thinking when you made the design. But I think this turned out pretty cool. It's definitely a conversation starter. And you know, I get a lot of comments on my videos about how I have stickers all over my laptop. So maybe this will give some people some ideas. But anyways, that's it for me today. I hope you enjoyed this very special sticker edition of Fun Tech Friday. If you did, don't forget to mash that like button and get subscribed. And I'll see you next week for some more tech-related shenanigans.